two equal sides of a triangle are each 5 meters less than twice the third side. Okay, first of all, I draw one triangle. Okay, this is isosceles triangle because two of the sides are equal. Okay, so let us take the triangle ABC. ABC is the triangle. Here AB equal to AC, that means two sides are equal. That means this is isosceles triangle. Okay, two sides of equal sides of triangle are each 5 meters less than twice the third side. Okay, so each of the equal sides is equal to, okay, twice 5 meters less than twice the third side. Twice the third side. Do you know the value of the third side? We don't know. Do you know the equal sides? We don't know. They are unknown quantity. But one clue is there. What is that? The equal sides is equal to 5 meters less than the third side. For example, the length of the third side is, let us consider x meters. Now equal sides. Equal sides means 5 meters less than twice the third side. Okay, 5 meters less, that means minus 5, and twice the third side. What is the length of the third side? X meters. So twice means 2 into x. 2 into x. That means 5 meters less than twice the third side. That means 2x minus 5. Another side also 2x minus 5. Okay, so 2x minus 5, 2x minus 5. Third side, let us consider to take x. Okay, once again, two equal sides of a triangle are each one 5 meters less than twice of its third side. Okay, so first of all we have to take the length of the third side be x meters. Now the equal sides be 5 meters less than and twice of its third side. Okay, this is 2x minus 5. This is also 2x minus 5. If the perimeter of the triangle is 55 meters. What is perimeter? The total length of the boundary AB plus BC plus CA is known as its perimeter. That means the sum of the all sides is known as its perimeter. That is 55 meters. Find the length of its sides. That means we have to find third side and we have to find equal sides also. Okay, solution. Let us take third side of the triangle be x meters. Okay, without third side we cannot find the value of another two equal sides. So we have to consider the length of the third side be x meters. Do you know the length? We don't know. So we take one of the variable instead of such value. Okay, like x. So let us take third side of the triangle be x meters. Now equal side of the triangle is equal to, okay, from the problem the equal side is 5 meters less than and twice means double of the third side. Third side is x. Okay, 5 meters less than and twice the third side, that means 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5. Okay, now its perimeter is 55 meters. Okay, so perimeter of the triangle is equal to 55 meters. Okay, what is the perimeter? The total length of the boundary is called perimeter. So AB plus BC plus CA is called its perimeter. So AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 55 meters. So AB equal to 2x minus 5, BC equal to x, CA is also 2x minus 5 equal to 55 meters. Okay, length of the equal sides are 2x minus 5, 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5 plus x plus 2x minus 5. That is known as total length of the boundary. Okay, so Okay, now we have to simplify it and you get the value of x. Thus the x indicates the third side. Okay, so we got one simple equation. Okay, so 2x plus x plus 2x totally 5x minus 5 totally minus 10 equal to 55. This is minus 10 of transposition, it becomes plus 10. So 5x equal to 55 plus 10. So 5x equal to 65. So now we have to find the value of x. So therefore x equal to 65 by 5. 5x means 5 into x. That product quantity after transposition it becomes division. So 65 by 5. 5 ones are 5 threes are. So 13 5s are 65. Okay, we got the value of the third side, that is x equal to 13 meters. Therefore, length of the third side is equal to x is equal to how many meters? 30 meters. Length of the equal side equal to, okay, so 2x minus 5, that equal 2 into x equal to 13. 13 minus 2 13s are 26 minus 5, that equal to 21. Therefore, okay, we got all the lengths. This is 21, this is 21 and this is 30. Okay, we add all of them. 21 plus 21, 42 plus 13, 55. We got the perimeter of the triangle is 55 meters. That is checking. Therefore, lengths of all sides of a triangle are first one 21 meters, 13 meters and 21 meters. Checking, check. Its perimeter equal to 55 meters. Perimeter means the total length of the all sides are in a triangle. So 21 plus 13 plus 21, that equal to 56 meters. 55 meters. Okay, so we got the same answer. Okay, 21 plus 13 plus 21, that equal to 55 meters.